In today's video, I'm sharing an elegant Christmas home tour, some more beautiful gift ideas, and some festive recipes. I hope you'll join me. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. All right, I'm about to show you our elegant Christmas home tour. And before I do, I just wanted to say that Christmas this year is going to look a little different for me. Last year, I did all the things. I made all the magic happen. I ran myself into the ground, and I ended up getting pneumonia at the end of the year. Between Christmas and New Year's. I actually had it on Christmas Day, didn't know it. And I was just so run down, so burnt out. My immune system was compromised and I was ill for like 3 weeks. So keeping that in mind, I still feel the fallout from that strongly. This year is going to be very elegant, pared down, minimalistic, beautiful, peaceful, meaningful. I'm not going to try to cram everything in. You're probably going to notice the difference in my videos. We're going very simple this year. And I think that that is just where I am meant to be. I am in line with that because it's still elegant. We have very minimal decorations, but decorations that I truly feel bring out the beauty of the season and mean something to our family. So I'm about to show you everything right now. And we're going to focus on living well at home, of course, which is something I'm so passionate about. And focus on recipes, spending time at home, carols, just beautiful pursuits that we can enjoy at home in a very simple way. I'm taking it easy this year. So having said that, let's jump into my elegant Christmas home tour. Let's begin with the tree. This is our King of Christmas tree that we bring out every year. My family and I have decorated it already, and the last thing I need to do is add the dried orange ornaments. I make these every year, and they're so easy to make. You simply slice your oranges into thin slices and then place them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. Then you bake them on low heat, like around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 4.5 hours, making sure you flip them about halfway through. And then they are ready to hang on the tree. So I'm just adding them here where there are a few spaces. I love our ornaments. Most have a story behind them, and the tree just feels so nostalgic. I opted to use a ribbon that we already had, and we wrapped it around the tree and did a simple tree topper with a bow and a star. We also put large nutcrackers on either side of the piano. Last year we put them by the fireplace, so I wanted to switch it up this year. And we also put a garland wrapped up the stairs, as we usually do. I might put oranges on the garland too, but for now this is what it looks like. Let's go into the dining room now. I'll show you my yearly tradition of switching out the china cabinet. I took out the Indian tree china, and now I'm putting the Spode Christmas tree in. I want to use more of our Spode Christmas plates on a daily basis, so my strategy here is to place all of the excess items in the cabinet and make it look nice and full, leaving the plates accessible for our daily use. One trick I like to do for our china cabinet is place these placemats in the back of the cabinet, almost like a wallpaper. And it gives the cabinet such a charming essence. I feel like it looks like a little dollhouse cabinet. I truly have so much fun doing this every year. I really do enjoy it. I love styling the cabinet and challenging myself to make it look full. The process of deciding what to put where is so fun for me. And here's the final look. And this is what the full dining room looks like. I'll go into more detail about the table setting later, but of course one way that I like to add a festive touch is through fresh flowers, and I'll be doing a few of those for you in future videos this month. One thing to know about me is that I love nutcrackers, and one of my sons absolutely loves them too, so this is one of our favorite tables in the house. I have a lot of our nutcrackers here, and they greet us in the entryway and just give me so much joy. This middle one is actually an Advent nutcracker that counts down the days to Christmas. And of course we have Clara and Drosselmeyer as well, and even Scrooge. My other favorite Christmas decoration is this absolutely epic Kate Burkhart Santa. This is a custom Santa that I bought in Santa Monica when we lived there. We are trying to fix our fireplace to get the fire working again, so I'll show you that in another video, but those are the main areas of decoration in our home. We also have individual trees in each of our bedrooms, and those are from King of Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed that Christmassy home tour. I shared a gift guide on the channel recently, but I have a few more elegant gift ideas to share with you now. One of them is from Gingiberi. They have beautiful pearl jewelry. This makes such a show-stopping gift because not only is the packaging gorgeous, but the jewelry is exquisite. So beautifully constructed and high quality, and I feel like they are offered at amazing prices. I have several Gingiberi pieces, and they are treasured in my jewelry box. So here is a little fashion show of some of their new selections. I will leave Gingiberi and my discount code down below. Another elegant gift idea comes from Teabloom, who sell high-quality teas and teaware. This is the Masters Collection, which includes 6 of their best organic loose-leaf teas in individual tins, displayed in a beautiful chest. And wouldn't this make such a lovely gift for a tea lover in your life? And look at this beautiful earthly rose teapot with a 3-dimensional glass rosebud. This is such a stunning showstopper, and it would just make such a beautiful gift. I was going to share this in my holiday gift guide, but I didn't have this at the time of filming, so I'm happy to share it with you now. And finally, I'd like to end on a festive drink recipe to make this season. This is a pineapple punch, and I'm making it here for my daughters and myself. So start off by filling your glasses with ice, and then pour in some pineapple juice. After that, you're going to pour in some cream of coconut, and top it off with ginger ale. You can play with the proportions of this. You can make individual ones like I am here, or make a big punch bowl. I just wouldn't put too much of the coconut because it is really sweet. After pouring the drinks, I garnish this with pineapple and cranberries for some color and to make it more Christmassy. We truly enjoyed this pineapple punch, and I hope you do too. I have a lot of holiday recipes coming up, so I hope you'll subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I hope that you enjoyed this video, everyone, and that your Christmas holiday season is off to an amazing start. Thank you so much for your support of my new book, The Daily Connoisseur's Guide to Living Well at Home. I'm so blessed by all of your comments, your feedback, your reviews. I'm so thankful. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.